Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. The soil is not that wonderful in this area, plenty of roots and stones, but this tool is well out for it. This is a digging spark from the base. It's a fantastic tool. If you haven't got one already, treat yourself to one. It makes life so much easier, and a good tool will make you want to go to your garden. We're planting a lilac. There's a small little mini tree here just to give a little bit of height in this area, and we're going to set it in. It's going to flower every year in the summer. It's a lilac called Pailibin, and Pailibin is a fragrant lilac, pink to purple flowers like that. Will only grow about at the most 5 foot high. Nice full head on top. Just give a little bit of height. They do very well in pots and containers as well. We've many lilacs like that in the web shop. Have a look at the bloomerang lilacs as well. They flower from June until October. They're a fantastic new range of lilac. Now we have a decent sized planting hole dug out here for it. I'm going to add some Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom, and a lot of you ask me about Super Thrive. Super Thrive is a planting fertilizer that is used when you're planting all your plants, trees, hedging, perennials, hydrangeas. It's slowly released for the plants. It reduces transplant shock and builds plant vigor. Very important when you're planting to get the most from your plants. We're going to add, as well as the Super Thrive in there, a little bit of Swell Well compost, a couple of handfuls there at the bottom. Can't go wrong then, this plant will thrive and do very well. And we have some Swell Well compost mixed with the soil around. We love Swell Well compost. We use it in Pergola Nurseries all the time in pots and containers and for planting. It's got 12 to 14 months slow release fertilizer and a wetting agent in there that will hold some moisture in as the summer moves on, and we'll run into hopefully some dry spells. Now we're going to take our nice lilac out of the pot, with a weed on top there, and just give it a little cleaning off and loosen roots a little bit, but it's not bad. And we're going to settle it in just roughly the same depth as the surrounding soil. And then we have a mixture of Swell Well compost and soil put back in around it. It's going to give a little bit of height in this area. Won't shade anything, but will just give us much needed height in this bed of perennials and give a little bit of structure to the bed. So in it goes, like firming in, and it'll be here for years and years to come, flowering every summer with pink to purple flowers like that. So that's a lilac called Pailibin. Also have a look in the web shop at the bloomerang lilacs. There's a lovely dark purple one there. The flowers from June until October. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.